Hey guys, LP here, back at the shop again. Just working very hard with a bunch of crazy guys in the shop right now. Everybody's just been really good to us, and I've been working relentlessly to put this road course car pretty much back together now. We still have a fair amount of work, but everybody's on it, so super proud of my team. Thank you so much, everyone that's been showing up the whole season, and a special thanks as well to FX Boisvert, my people from Trois-Rivières. Those guys are amazing. They just came over because we pretty much had a full wrap to do on the road course car after GP3R. So yeah, very excited about this weekend. ICAR coming up. It's a little circuit there in Mirabel. We really like it. It's short. It's going to be intense. 24 car, I think, something like that on the grid. So it should be a very good show for the fans. And it's going to be Saturday, the 24th of August. 5:30 is the race. I think mid-afternoon is quali and 10:30 is practice in the morning. Anyways, hope we're going to see a lot of you guys over at the racetrack this weekend. Can't wait to get going again. All right. Ciao, y'all.